Hi, today I'm for the new REALME C17 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. You'll see here the vibration on ring. You could activate or turn off this option with a click on the switcher. Here we got the sound mode section. We could switch the ring mode to vibration or to silent one. Here we got the volume panels or the media ringtone notifications and alarms volume panel. We should just slide it to the left or to the right side with our finger to change the volume. Okay, let's just see what's here inside of this section. This is the volume button function. So now we have selected the media volume, and with the help of the volume buttons we will change the media volume. We could also switch it to the ringtone one to use them to change the ringtone. Here we could also activate and turn off the don't disturb mode to change the ringtone messages and notification sounds. And in most sounds and haptics section we could activate and turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion and touch sounds. By click on each of the switcher we could activate or turn off these options, and also we could activate or turn off the vibration on touch. Let's go back. We could also activate or turn off the reduce notification feedback and use the real sound technology just to change the mode from smart to movie, game or music. And in other settings we could switch the default recorder from auto select to the add-on and to use in-ear monitoring option. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our REALME device. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.